Tired of plugging your phone into your car every time you drive? The 2026 Wireless CarPlay adapter transforms your factory-wired CarPlay into a seamless wireless experience. Say goodbye to tangled cables and hello to effortless connectivity with this simple upgrade designed specifically for vehicles with factory-wired CarPlay. Once you pair your phone, the adapter automatically reconnects every time you start your car. No more fumbling with cables or waiting for your system to catch up. Thanks to its low-lag performance, navigation, music, calls, and voice control all feel smooth and natural, making your daily drives more enjoyable and hassle-free. What sets this adapter apart is its use of 5 GHz Wi-Fi combined with Bluetooth 5.3. This dual-band technology delivers faster data transfer and stronger wireless stability, so you get a reliable connection that doesn't drop or lag. It's a perfect match for drivers who want consistent performance without interruptions during long trips or busy commutes. The ultra-compact design keeps your dashboard clean and clutter-free. Unlike bulky dongles, this adapter tucks neatly near your USB port, maintaining that factory-installed look. It blends effortlessly with your car's interior, preserving the sleek, OEM feel without adding any visible bulk or extra cables. Installation couldn't be simpler. With both USB-A and USB-C connectors included, this plug-and-play adapter fits a wide range of vehicles. No apps, no complicated setup, just plug it in, pair your phone once, and you're ready to enjoy wireless CarPlay instantly. It's a straightforward solution for anyone looking to modernize their in-car experience quickly. If you rely on CarPlay every day for navigation, calls, and music, this adapter makes a noticeable difference. Removing the need to plug in every time you get in the car saves time and frustration. It's a practical upgrade that streamlines your routine and keeps your focus on the road, not the cables. Audio quality matters, and this adapter delivers. Designed to support clear calls and smooth audio streaming, it ensures your conversations stay crisp and your music sounds great. Voice commands respond faster, making hands-free control more reliable, ideal for drivers who want convenience without sacrificing performance. Keep in mind, this adapter is made for cars that come with factory-wired CarPlay, not those with built-in wireless systems. Checking your vehicle's original setup before purchase ensures the best fit and smoothest experience. If that's you, this wireless upgrade is worth a look for a cleaner, more modern infotainment system without replacing your head unit.